Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the kids' phones. It is a smartwatch with games and MP3 player. 1.54 inches touch screen watch phone, two-way call, music player, game, funny camera, alarm clock, children's school gift for 3 up to 10 years old boys or girls, because you can buy it in 3 different colors, as you can see. This is blue, it's pink, and it is I think it's yellow, and more, of course, green and red and blue and pink, like that. Then MP3 Player blue and game pink as well. So everything is possible. We choose here the pink lady, the pink one of that device. The pink system is better for pink way. Oh yeah, isn't it? So let's head back. It's a kid's phone. That means it is a smartwatch, and a smartwatch is nice. 2G phone call. That kid's smartwatch is a 1.54 inches touchscreen with IPS technology. It is used for children's age 3 up to 12, for example. One memory card is free included, which used for store photos, music and audio files. It is a unique modern design with a beautiful wristwatch strap. 2 colors for your selecting, blue, pink, and it's nice and great for birthday parties or birthday gifts for children's, boys and girls. More, it fit for 5 to 7 or up to 13 years students outdoor using. You have 2 ways of communication. That smartwatch can support 2G GSM networks, not supported 3G or 4G. After connecting the SIM card, you can use the 2-way calling features to connect with, for example, your children. Get to know their status anytime, anywhere, and share the feelings with you. You have a built-in MP3 player. On the 1 GB memory card, you can download MP3 format music to the memory card on, for example, PC. Then you can transform the MP3 data to the memory card, and then you can enter the memory card into the smartwatch. Then you can play music at any time, and you can change the children's to bring happiness. It is multifunction use. There are many functions on that smartwatch. You can have a phone call, a text call. You can have a watch alarm clock, a camera, music player, calculator, record, low power, alarm, game, photo album, themes, etc. So that children enjoy entertainment and learning anytime. The SIM recommended is a micro SIM card. You can use it without a SIM card too, but the full function will reach with a SIM card, of course. But the SIM card will make more money. You have to pay each month, so you have to think about if this is necessary. If you do not need it, you can use this smartwatch too, but not with the phone call, etc. options. Then, but this is enough, I think. You can have games, you can have a calculator, you can have fun, you can have a first smartwatch for your little children's at home or on the way. You have games, music, address book, album, alarm clock, recording, some voices, calculator, and of course a camera is built in. You have some games, Bee-War, pinball, hit bricks, car grab goods, ultimate racing, Mario eat gold, basketball shoot master, and 24/8. This is a little awesome thing for on the way for your children's. That smart watch with a camera, audio player. The children can take a picture and listen to music anywhere. This is the first step in the high-tech area for your children's. Funny cameras share everything, moments in daily life with that smartwatch. The main functions is the screen display in standby mode. The second thing is contacts. Slide to the left or right in the standby interfaces in the home menu to enter the main menu. Select contacts and click to enter. Note, maximum of 10 contacts can be stored. But this is enough for the beginners, or isn't it? You have a quick dial option. In the main menu, select and click to enter. In the quick dial, if you have a SIM card installed, okay, you can use it. In the main menu, select the camera. Then you can make fun with the camera, make some videos. Then the option album. This is to view the saved photos or videos. And you can choose the record option. Then you can speak a little bit and store your speech after this. And of course then the game options. 7 funny games are installed in the watch. The 8th thing is the Music MP3 Player. Copy songs via USB connection must be in power off status. Only the music files in My Music folder can be played. This is important. For music, you need save the MP3 files in My Music folder at the 1 GB SD card. If you do not save the music that you downloaded into the file My Music, it cannot work. This is important, okay? So that means if you still stored all your data of the MP3 from your computer in the folder My Music, and then dip the SD card into the smartwatch, you are able to use it as an MP3 player. Next option is alarm and calculator. The frequency band is GSM 850 MHz up to 1900 MHz quad band. The screen is 1.54 inches, IPS HD colored touchscreen. The resolution is 240 to 240 pixels. This is not so much. The camera has 300,000 pixels. This is okay. For the beginners, it's okay. The battery is 480 milliampere hours lithium polymer battery. Okay. The cover material is plastic, ABS-PC. The strap material is Dow Corning food grade silicone. The size is 52.4 to 40.7 to 13.8 millimeters. The weight is around about 43 grams, and the language you can choose is English, French, Spanish, or Italian. And what you are going to get is a phone watch, a USB cable, instruction manual, and 1 GB TF memory card. It is a little bit not so good to slide with this smartwatch, but take care. It is the beginner thing. It is not so expensive, and you can use it. And it's really funny to use it for small children, of course. So I like it really much. Thanks for watching. please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.